Hi students, good afternoon. Write present in the chat box. Okay, again, today's session is very small. Okay, the last part of sixth module, and after that I'll do a small revision of sixth module itself. Yeah, right. Hmm. Okay, okay. Again, I'll not waste any time. We'll start with this yesterday. Yeah. Okay, so last part of last class of theory basically. So yesterday we in the last part of yesterday's session I talked about master limited partnership. Okay, so master limited partnership. Okay, second. Okay, you can hear. Yesterday in the session, I talked about master limited partnership. So master limited partnership में कैसा था? It is a combination of company and a normal partnership firm. Okay, so it has benefits of both the things and few of the disadvantages of both company and of partnership is removed from that. Okay, so master limited partnership is also a recognized ownership pattern in a company's law. And master limited partnership is a form of a corporate restructuring. When if I have already a partnership firm, then all my partners are liable for it. ठीक है, जो भी मैं डिसीजन ले रहा हूँ, all the other partners are liable. ठीक है, if I take 25 lakhs of loan, so that means all five of us or four of us have taken 25 lakhs of loan. Okay, if I will not be able to pay that or I make any loss, the remaining partners are liable to pay that 25 lakhs loan or need to bear the loss or anything. So that is disadvantage for the remaining partners. Okay, whereas in company it doesn't happen like that. If CEO does any mistake, he might get removed from the company, but the company is liable to. ठीक है, everyone has joined, I guess. So company is liable to pay to them, but the other owners are not liable. ठीक है, if I am the shareholder, if company is in losses, तो shareholder के हिसाब से I will not be asked any money. Okay, if I have fully paid the shares, the amount of shares, ठीक है, पूरा पेमेंट करके I have bought the shares, then I'll not be asked any further money because company is in loss. ठीक है, तो I am limited to that. ठीक है, any owner is limited to the amount of share payment he has done. ठीक है, if company is going into losses or company has taken loan is not able to repay, shareholder से पैसा नहीं मांगेंगे, the owners will not give the money. Whereas in partnership it happens like that. तो इसके लिए limited liability partnership is also one of the ownership pattern very well received. ठीक है, but it doesn't, it is very difficult to make it big and there are certain things in which company में हो सकता है but limited liability partnership में नहीं हो सकता. Okay, so that's the reason the people decide whether to enter into this or enter into this. Okay, ठीक है, I hope जितने join करने थे कर दे. Okay, so master limited partnership is recognized in various countries. Okay, a limited liability partnership we call it in India. So many the terminology is different, but the meaning remains same. Okay, just like we in India we call company. Okay, public Infosys Limited. Okay, so that is the name of a company. But in America we call it corporation. Okay, so that's the reason if Infosys is there in America, then Infosys Inc will be written. Okay, Ltd will not be written. Like Amazon Inc is there. Okay, Apple Inc. Okay, Inc stands for incorporated. Okay, Inc COR भी लिखते हैं incorporated. So the meaning is same. There it is called as corporation. Here it is called as a company. Okay, as per the UK standard, we follow that. So company हम लोग बोलते हैं, अमेरिका में corporation बोलते हैं. So incorporated करके INC लिखते हैं. So same way MLP we call it many places master limited partnership, but in India and few other countries as well, those who follow the UK system, they call it limited liability partnership or LLP. ठीक है, not much difference. Concept is same. It is an alternative corporate business form. Okay, corporate business का ही form है. It is not a partnership. Okay, it is a form of a corporate business itself. Okay, but it need not मतलब be like a company, like a going concern और ऐसा बहुत सारे जो company के थे ना वो सब definitely नहीं है. इसमें liquidity position is very much beneficial. Okay, because in partnership we cannot raise money from public. In limited liability partnership we can raise money from public. Okay, and continue its existence irrespective of changes in the partners. In partnership firm, if the partners are going out, new partners are coming in, then we need to change, we need to keep on publishing the information in newspapers, and sometimes we need to change the name itself of the partnership firm if there are major changes. ठीक है. If all the partners, the four partners have four partners जा रहे हैं और नए four partners आ रहे हैं, that cannot be done in partnership firm, but it can be done in limited liability partnership. ठीक है, जो भी changes हो रहे हैं partners का, it is very easily acceptable in LLP, and it is a separate legal entity. Okay, uh, again, like a company, it has a separate legal existence. In partnership firm, there is no separate legal existence. Okay, all the partners are the firm actually. Okay, so that's the reason liabilities, the profits, the losses, the profit, any legal matters, anything, all the partners are equally involved into that. Okay, because it is not a separate, technically not a separate legal entity. All the partners are like a partnership firm itself, but in LLP it is a separate legal entity, and no partner is liable on account of independent or unauthorized action of other partners. Okay, in partnership everyone is responsible, right? So in LLP, if one of the partner has taken any decision, if his decision gone wrong or because of that any losses is there, other partners need not pay any money from their own pocket. Okay, if the money is available in the company or anything like that, then the payment will be done, or the uh, legal proceedings will be done on the LLP. Okay, not on each and every partner. And mutual rights duties of the partners within LLP are governed by an agreement between the partners. ठीक है, कौन exactly क्या करेगा. ठीक है, one partner will only invest money. Okay, other partner will get involved into operation, other partner will take care of something else in the business, maybe marketing or something, and other partner will be just a sleeping partner. Sometimes he will come check, maybe an audit. So every partner will have sometimes different role or same role, whatever it is, but it will be written in an agreement. ठीक है, इसका right क्या है, इसका duty क्या है, everything will be written in an agreement, and what is the share of profit they will be sharing. ठीक है, structure क्या है, it will be a body corporate and a legal entity separate from its partner. It will have a perpetual succession. ठीक है, just like a company. There is a structure of LLP. Advantages क्या है, is organized, LLP form is organized and operates on basis of an agreement. Okay. Partnership का भी deed रहता है. A normal partnership will have a deed. A company will have its articles of association, memorandum of association, articles of association. Same way, in LLP we have an agreement. Okay, and in agreement everything will be written, and the firm will be operating as per the whatever it is written in the agreement. It is similar to AOA and part and some parts of partnership deed. Partnership deed में भी लिखा रहता है what is the profit they will be sharing, who is the sleeping partner or dormant, ये now just, and then what is the share of profits they'll be sharing, what is the money they have put, everything will be written in the partnership deed. Same way, similar to that, LLP में भी agreement रहेगा, everything will be written, rights, duties, ये, investments, how much they will withdraw, how much one partner can withdraw money, ये सब will be written based on an agreement, everything. Then it provides flexibility without imposing detailed legal and procedural requirements. Okay? If you are running a company, there are many things a company needs to take care. Okay, बहुत सारे चीज company needs to take care. It needs to operate as per the SEBI guidelines, and um, many as per the Companies Act. Basically, it will run as per Companies Act 2013. ठीक है, जो जो Companies Act में है, they need to conduct a meeting every, they need to uh, बहुत सारे कंपनीज एक्ट में, if it is a public limited company, the number of people who will sign should be seven and more. The number of the amount of capital will be fixed. If it is a private company, there are different rules. If it is a public company, there are different rules. So there are many rules which the company needs to follow as per the Companies Act 2013. But LLP में ऐसा नहीं है. It has a separate rules and regulations which are much more simpler than a company. Okay. Then it enables professional technical expertise and initiative to combine with financial risk taking capacity in an innovative and efficient manner. ठीक है, तो पार्टनरशिप में ऐसा नहीं कर सकते थे. Okay, in LLP we can take a financial risk because partners को इतना टेंशन नहीं रहता है कि we have to give money from our own pocket. ठीक है, तो they can take a financial risk and also they will have liquidity as well because they will be floating. They can sell the shares of the LLP to anyone. Okay, so it is a combination. जैसे public limited company का they can sell the shares to anyone, not in a private limited company. Okay, so in LLP we can we don't have liquidity problem. Okay, वैसे तो बहुत सारे कंट्रीज में है, but United Kingdom, yeah, United States of this is as per the Ministry of Corporate Affairs website I have taken. So well, there are many in many countries that this LLP is there. Okay, UK, USA, many Gulf countries. Okay, like Dubai, Saudi, Yemen, Oman, like that. Then Australia and Singapore. LLP is very prevalent, other than in India. Okay, and basic difference between LLP and traditional partnership is that in traditional partnership, every partner is liable for all the acts done by the firm when he is the partner. If he is the partner, जो भी उसने काम किया है, every partner is liable. When he goes out, when he resigns as a partner, goes out of the partnership firm, then he do something. Okay, then the firm is not responsible. Okay, definitely. With ठीक है, जैसे कि आज उसने रिजाइन कर दिया. टुडे इज 22nd June. He has resigned it. The resignation of his will be published in a newspaper as well. It will be informed basically to everyone who is connected with the partnership firm. It will be informed. Then later on, maybe next week or next month, he enters into deal with along with someone stating that he is still a partner, and that person doesn't inquire about his presence in the partnership firm और वो deal कर देता है उसके साथ, then he cannot blame the partnership firm because he was no longer a partner at that time of the deal. तो जब तक वो partner है, everyone is liable. If he goes out of the partnership firm after resigning or if he is removed from the partnership firm by all the partners, ठीक है, if there are four people, three of them should be against him कि नहीं इसको निकालना है, only then he can be removed. Okay, if there are 10 partners, okay, 11 partners, and one partner has did some mischievous thing in the partnership firm, because of that there is losses. So 10 में से majority should say that he should go out. Okay, ठीक है, टेक्निकली ऑल शुड से, बट नाउ डेज मेजोरिटी भी चल जाता है, बट टेक्निकली ऑल द 10 शुड से दैट ही शुड गो आउट ऑफ द फर्म. Okay, but nowadays majority भी चल जाता है. Out of 10, 6 are telling to go out of the firm, then also वो हो जाता है. ठीक है, then the next is under LLP structure, liability of partner is limited to the agreed contribution. ठीक है, जितना contribution किया उतना ही उसका liability है. Then LLP and a company. ठीक है, LLP और कंपनी में डिफरेंस क्या है? A company is regulated by a statute, that is Companies Act 2013 के हिसाब से whatever is there. We have studied in the legal and business environment. The Companies Act के हिसाब से what MOA and AOA, then annual general meeting रखना है, then annual report prepare करना है, auditors will come, ये सब everything will be done as per the Companies Act 2013. Whereas in LLP it will be done by a contractual agreement between the partners. Okay, agreement करेंगे. There will be an audit and everything, financial statement they will maintain. Okay, definitely, but not as per the Companies Act, as per their what do you say, as per their choice. They can do, they can follow schedule 6, they can follow a T shape of balance sheet, whatever they want, they can do that. But in Companies Act, if you are making a public company and you're or even a private company and you're governed under Companies Act 2013, then you cannot make a T-shaped balance sheet. वो schedule 6 ही है, ऊपर liabilities नीचे sorry, हाँ ऊपर liabilities नीचे assets ऐसे करके you need to make as per the schedule 6 balance sheet. ठीक है, but LLP में you can make a T-shaped balance sheet या जैसे मर्जी वैसे बनाओ. Okay, and many other things of LLP will be done as per the contractual agreement. Okay, and LLP will have more flexibility as compared to a company. Okay, they have choice many things, and LLP will have lesser compliance requirement as per the company. Correct. Okay, so company ka they need to publish, they need to appoint an auditor, they need to put it on NSE and BFC website. What is their annual report? Okay, basically here company I'm mentioning is about public company itself. Okay, not a one-man company or not a small private company. Okay, so there is a, I'm comparing company, I'm referring it as a public company and an LLP. Okay, because LLPB, I'm floating shares, I'm giving it to people and they are buying the shares. Company may be same to that. I'm floating, I'm giving and buying the shares. Public is involved. Okay, in that. Okay, it will not be listed on the stock exchange LLP. ठीक है, MLP थोड़े थोड़े से MLP they are listed on stock exchange in foreign countries, but LLP generally नहीं होता है. I don't know the reason, but नहीं होता है, listed नहीं होता है. It is only the public limited company which can be listed on stock exchange. ठीक है, अभी कुछ change हुआ तो I don't know. So this is what is the last part. ठीक है, one thing I actually forgot. Okay, I was supposed to talk about buyback of shares. Yeah. So ठीक है. So buyback of shares very important from the corporate action. ठीक है, तो corporate action क्या है? If this is very important if you are going to appear in an interview and uh, that company is into analytics, okay, and they are into equity analysis or into data analysis or anything related to shares or companies outstanding shares or treasury जो भी related to shares है और related to analysis of a company है, data analysis, equity analysis, कोई भी analysis, then there are terminologies like corporate action. Okay, corporate action is a very important terminology in this. So corporate action क्या होता है? Whenever there is a company, I'm only talking about public limited company here. Okay, sorry, public company here. Okay, public company, the company which is the shares are listed on stock exchange. वैसे वाला company. ठीक है, तो many a times you have seen in the news that there is a buyback of shares or there is a split. शेयर स्प्लिट हो रहा है, रिवर्स स्प्लिट हो रहा है, कंसोलिडेशन हो रहा है, बोनस इशू हो रहा है, राइट्स इशू हो रहा है. ओके, एनीथिंग which is changing the number of outstanding shares in the market. Okay, any sort of thing which is changing the outstanding shares in the market, that is referred, any action is referred to as corporate action. Okay, CA भी बहुत बार रेफर करते हैं उसको. ठीक है, सीए कौन सा हुआ ये कंपनी का, सीए क्या है, ठीक है, बट अभी तो फिलहाल ठीक है, कॉर्पोरेट एक्शन इफ यू रिमेंबर दैट इज फाइन. ठीक है, सो any action taken by a public company which is listed on stock exchange, any action taken by a company, because of that action the shares, outstanding shares in the market are getting changed. ठीक है, वो 100 का 200 शेयर्स हो रहा है, 100 का 50 शेयर्स हो रहा है, then it is a share split or a reverse split or a consolidation. If 100 shares hai already existing shareholders hai who are having 100 shares, for every 10 shares I'm offering one share to one person. Okay, it is like a bonus. I'm not giving a dividend of some rupees or amount, I'm just giving him share. 10 shares है ना, बहुत प्रॉफिट हुआ कंपनी को, एक शेयर गिफ्ट में. Okay, I'm giving a bonus for every 10 shares he's holding, I'm giving one. So अगर उसके पास 20 है तो he will be a shareholder of 22 shares after this corporate action. If he's having 50 shares of the company, then he will be having 55 shares after the corporate action. ठीक है, एक शेयर for every 10 shares he has got one share as a bonus. bonus issue. Okay, you might have studied in financial management, I guess. Bonus issue, rights issue, preemptive right, ये सब. ठीक है. तो rights issue क्या है? When I want to do an FPO, FPO is follow on public offer. Ring. ठीक है. IPO है initial public offering. FPO follow on public offering. IPO is the first time when a private company is going to get public. First time it is going to give the shares in the public. Okay, that is IPO. Fine. When the company is already there in the stock exchange, उसका already trading हो रहा है, secondary market में है, उसका खरीद रहे बेच रहे, but the company wants more capital for its business, और ज़्यादा चाहिए. अभी IPO तो हो गया है, लोन तो लेना नहीं है. Okay, so now it wants money from public, though then it will float FPO और offer करती है public को. More maybe 10 lakh of shares will be there. Same, the process will be very much similar to an IPO, but इसमें क्या होता है, the more marketing will not be done. Investment bank will be involved. The people will be informed that there is a follow-on public offer or FPO is going to come of existing company, maybe TCS or Maruti का FPO आने वाला है. Then the 90% of the share will be subscribed, or whatever the number of shares will be subscribed. 10% हुआ तो भी that will be accepted. ठीक है. IPO में था वो 90% मिनिमम शुड बी सब्सक्राइब. इसमें ऐसा कुछ नहीं. FPO में जितना 100% भी हो सकता है, 100 के ऊपर भी 150% सब्सक्रिप्शन भी हो सकता है. देन द कंपनी विल डिसाइड इट विल बी डन ऑन फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट बेसिस और अपॉर्चनमेंट करेंगे या कैसे भी करेंगे. बट फॉलो ऑन पब्लिक ऑफर, एडिशनल शेयर्स विल बी फ्लोटेड इन द मार्केट फॉर द पब्लिक टू बाय. तो if ऐसे हो गया, then again the outstanding number of shares in the market will change, it will increase. Okay, maybe during an FPO the existing shareholders जो भी existing है 100 shares थे, पुराने shareholders हैं हम लोग के, then we will offer them some shares. For every one share, are you willing to take one more share at a lesser price? Okay, 50 rupees है share का price. I'm offering one share to my shareholder saying that 50 rupees में market में share है, do you want to buy in 40 rupees? ठीक है, because you have the first right. तुम लोग already shareholder हो ना, you have the right to buy the shares before we do a FPO. ठीक है, so that happens in rights issue. So ऐसे भी होता है, तो there are changes. ठीक है. Now I said everything apart from buyback. ठीक है. Now listen to this carefully, then I'll complete it. ठीक है. ये सब बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग और इम्पोर्टेंट है. इसके लिए इंटरेस्टिंग एंड इम्पोर्टेंट है. इसके लिए आई एम टेलिंग बिकॉज इट इज नॉट देयर इन योर सिलेबस, कॉर्पोरेट एक्शन. ठीक है. बाय बैक ऑफ शेयर्स. ठीक है, एक सेकेंड, आई विल एक्सप्लेन लाइक दिस. ठीक है. बाय बैक ऑफ शेयर्स. नाउ देयर आर ठीक है 1000 शेयर्स है आउटस्टैंडिंग. सिर्फ 1000, इतना कम नहीं रहता है कोई भी कंपनी का. जस्ट फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम टेकिंग 1000 shares are there listed of a public company listed on the stock exchange as the outstanding shares. ठीक है. Why I'm stressing outstanding means 1000 shares का buying and selling is happening every day in the stock market from 9:30 to 3:30 or from 9 to 3:30, 9:15 to 3:30. Okay, so buying and selling उसका हो रहा है 1000 shares का. Okay. If you remember, there are something called as authorized capital, then subscribed capital, then issued capital. ठीक है. तो authorized capital में भी इसमें रहेगा 3000 shares will be there. Okay, from that, okay, issued ऊपर आता है actually, but ठीक है, चलो दोनों को I'll take it the same. Subscribed और issued capital दोनों भी 2K है. Okay, so because of that my outstanding shares is also 2K. ठीक है. 2000 shares है outstanding. Issued capital 2 है, subscribed भी 2 है, तो 2000 rupees is my outstanding shares. इसमें से again I have remaining कितना है मेरे पास, 1000 shares is remaining. I can issue the remaining 1000 shares whenever I want. 1000 shares hold पे है, I can issue in the market, but I have not issued initially. ठीक है, so 1000 मेरे पास ऐसी जमा है as an authorized a part of authorized capital. So from 3000 I have already 2000 shares in the market and 1000 is remaining with me. Okay, now there is also called something called as treasury shares. ठीक है, ट्रेजरी क्या होता है? तिजोरी. ओके, ट्रेजरी इन विच important things are kept. A normal treasury, important things are kept in a house or in a bank locker. Treasury रहेगा, important things are kept in company. The in this parlance, important things are the shares. Now, okay, I hope you understood the scenario. Now the company is putting on the news channel that company is planning to buy from 2500 shares. 500 का बायबैक का अनाउंसमेंट हो गया. Okay, company is planning to buy 500 shares from 2000. From whom they will buy? From the existing shareholders. जैसे अभी मैं, I am the shareholder, then Ravi sir is a shareholder, Varun sir is a shareholder, तो ये लोग सब shareholder. I will send mail to Varun sir, to Ravi sir कि there is a buyback offer. So I want to buy a share from you. If the price of the share is 50 rupees in the market, I am offering you 60 rupees. तो मेरे को दे दो, मेरे को बेच दो. ठीक है, आई एम बाइंग बैक, द कंपनी इज बाइंग बैक द शेयर्स. सो आउट ऑफ 2000 कंपनी इज प्लानिंग टू बाय 500 शेयर्स. ठीक है, सपोज होता है, मेनी पीपल एग्री एंड दे सेल द शेयर्स टू द कंपनी एट अ हायर प्राइस. तो बायबैक हो गया, 500 शेयर्स will be transferred. अभी कंपनी के पास है these 500 shares. These shares will be transferred to treasury shares. इसमें आ गया treasury में, तिजोरी में 500 shares है. Now how many shares are there in the market? 2000 थे, 500 चले गए. Now in the market the outstanding shares will be 1500. Okay, now these many shares are outstanding. From tomorrow onwards, whenever the market will open, the buying and trading will happen only with 1500 shares. This 500 shares are nowhere to be found in the market. Why? Because they are lying in the treasury of the company. Whenever the company wants, they can again make an FPO of this 500 shares. और 1000 भी है तो 1500 का FPO भी लेके आ सकते हैं. ओके, और 1000 का एफपीओ लेकर, मतलब 1500 में से कितना भी एफपीओ दे कैन अगेन bring into the market to raise capital. Now why the company does it? There are many reasons. ठीक है, मर्जर्स को अवॉइड करने के लिए, एक्विजिशन को अवॉइड करने के लिए, many reasons. If suppose company has too much of cash, बहुत पैसा है कंपनी के पास, and the company is planning not to invest anywhere, so instead of keeping that cash, okay, I will buy shares from the market using that cash. ठीक है, तो कैश का यूटिलाइजेशन हो गया एंड द प्रॉफिट्स विल नॉट बी शेयर्ड अमंग 2000 शेयर होल्डर्स, इट विल बी ओनली शेयर्ड विद इन 1500 शेयर होल्डर्स. सो प्रॉफिट कैन बी अगेन री इन्वेस्टेड लेटर ऑन. अभी एनीवेज वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू री इन्वेस्ट एनीथिंग, तो पैसा बहुत है तो बाय कर रहे हैं. और एल्स द प्राइस ऑफ द शेयर्स विच इज 50 रुपीज है ना, सपोज ये नीचे जाने वाला है. Okay, there is a news in the company that there will be a negative sentiment in the market and the share price will drop if 50 से 30 होने वाला. So, in so that it should not happen, so we will buy the shares. And when there is a buying pressure in the market, बहुत company आके खरीद रहा है, so buyers are more, sellers are fair enough, are less. You can consider less or you can consider equal. So buyers are more. If buyers are more, the share price will get pull up. ठीक है, 60 में खरीद रहे कंपनी, तो 50 से स्लोली द शेयर प्राइस विल गो अप बिकॉज मेनी बायर्स आर देयर इन द मार्केट. तो इसके ऊपर जाएगा, 30 नहीं जाएगा, एटलीस्ट 50 तो रहेगा, और 55 और समथिंग विल हैपन. तो मेनी रीजंस आर देयर बायबैक के. Okay, so buyback of shares, it can be a 3 marks question, but forget about exam. Okay, just remember what is buyback of shares, but along with that there are many other corporate actions as well. Okay, you can refer Investopedia, this website. Okay. Okay, for any kind of interview, any kind of, अरे कुछ और खोलिए, नहीं नहीं यही है, sorry. ठीक है, this is a website. Okay, this is very important for any financial interview. You can type anything here. Okay, कुछ भी टाइप किया, it will tell you what is a share split. ठीक है, stock split definition क्या है, what stock existed, everything. And this is very important. I have cleared many interviews using this. What is a stock split? ठीक है, some advertisement. Stock split क्या है, and there will be a small video also where they it will explain you for anything. Okay, what is technical analysis या कुछ भी लिखो. Okay, you can refer this for any kind of interviews, or if you get a JD job description मिला है उसमें there are some words which you don't financial words which you are not aware of where to find the definition. This is the reliable source. You can refer this website Investopedia. ठीक है, rather than referring Wikipedia. Investopedia is only for financial or technical words. ठीक है, well, ठीक है, that's it from my side. Okay, so here I complete the sixth module. In the next tomorrow I have a class, so I'll just give a brief about third module के जो remaining sums थे, which the difficult ones. I'll do that. Okay, as I have put in the IA test as well. Okay, well, that's it. Log off.